So we are just walking into the garden centre. The Christmas shop is now open, so we're going to have a look at all the Christmas bits, and also we've got festive afternoon tea booked, so we're going to go and have that.
My word, you're two very beautiful girls.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. And my name is Father Christmas.
Yeah, Father Christmas.
Right, now shall we start all over again? Has she been a good girl? Has Tanya been a good girl this year?
Yeah.
Sort of?
Sort of.
I'm definitely on the nice list. You'll find me there.
What about her room? Does she keep her room tidy?
No.
Oh, well, hang on.
No.
Now then,
She needs to. It's
yeah.
very bad. It's the only bad room in the house.
Now, are there any rumours going round about her? Or no, naughty stuff? I'm making a blush now. So what is it you'd like for Christmas?
More subscribers. just sat down for our afternoon tea and we're just waiting for it to come. But got some cute little Christmassy settings behind me, so excited to eat.
It's arrived and this looks amazing.
So this afternoon tea is cheap for £16 and you literally get so much and it's so nice. I would definitely recommend it. Now I'm just having my turkey and stuffing sandwich.